3M is an amazing technology-driven and innovation-driven kind of company. More than 100 years of history, a company based in Minnesota, so with an approach typical of the Midwest, but that is dealing now with a market that is becoming more and more international. 65% of the sales are out of the US at the moment. So that is becoming more and more international also in the approach to innovation. A company part of the Dow Jones, and so with all the pressure of the shareholders and the business analysts on the short term, but that is trying also to look at the long term and trying to understand how to balance the need of results short term with the need of innovation long term, sustainable kind of innovation. The company that in the past few years has been understanding that design and design thinking could be a new function, mindset, and approach to leverage to produce innovation in a different way, starting with a different perspective that is more focused on the end users, the consumers, the customers, trying to create new, holistic, enjoyable, fulfilling experiences, creating solutions that are meaningful and relevant for people, and leveraging design and design thinking as an approach to create that kind of innovation. Innovation is extremely important because we live in a society, in a market where competition is becoming more and more aggressive. We live in a global market with internet and social networking that are making any kind of new product, new brand, available both to knowledge and to purchase to anybody in the world, real time. So it's not possible anymore, like in the past, to produce a new technology or a new product and live on that technology or product for many years. Today it's so important to keep producing innovation, new products, new brands, new solutions, new technologies, and then outpace your own innovation and keep creating more and more of that innovation in time. So innovation is the key to win on the market, and is also the key to actually produce value for people and for the society. So there is both a business goal and an ethical goal to produce actually a better world for us and our children. When you try to drive innovation design driven in my own case, inside the corporation, there are always anyway difficulties and roadblocks that are natural. You know, they're not typical of 3M, they're typical of any kind of organization, big or small. And to have an external endorsement of, you know, an award like the Edison Award is extremely important to reassure the company on the fact that, and eventually also our shareholders, our analysts, our customers, our consumers, on the fact that 3M is delivering great innovation and delivering value to our different target audiences. So again, to the society, as well as to the market, to the customers, and to our shareholders.